Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and today I picked up a brand new E-Flight UMX Cub S2. This is an RTF version, comes with the transmitter, the batteries, the charger, the airplane's fully assembled. You open up the box, put the batteries in the transmitter, and charge up the flight battery, and it's ready to go. Let's get this thing in the air and see how it does. All right, guys, there's the transmitter. It's very simple. Does have the switch for safe. I think it has envelope and unrestricted flight. I do have it all bound up. It actually comes from the factory completely bound, but on the back it does have instructions on how to bind. So that's kind of handy. I'm not sure what the red button does. I'm assuming if you get out of order, it will straighten it out. All right, let's do it. Straight away, we are in the safe mode to start out with, and she's climbing just a little bit. I'm assuming that's like a launch mode, and I let it come on down. It's nice and slow. There we go. Second mode. Looks like it is flight envelope. It's not letting it roll over, but it's not going back to center axis. Oh, a little bit low. Pull the throttle up. Just doing some figure eights here, getting used to it. A little bit of rudder. Super easy. We'll take it up just a little bit higher. And here we go, some speed. Safe and flight envelope is off. You can see it's wanting to get upside down. I'm not sure that it will, but we'll build just a little bit of altitude here. Get it in the dive, up into a loop. Sure enough, it can do it. I'm not sure about a roll, but yeah, there we go. Plenty of control for the roll, and did a loop and a roll, and we got some altitude, so let's dive it just a little bit and take it up into the stall. Well, all right, I am full throttle, guys. This is a little 1S battery aircraft, and for less than $200, this is a pretty good value. I mean, to have an airplane that comes out of the box, you don't have to do any work to get it flying. It does have all the Spectrum technology. Comes with the transmitter and the batteries. It's pretty amazing. There we go, back into safe, and we're just gonna get it to chill out. Nice easy flight here. I'm at about half throttle now. It is interesting to me how some of these airplanes, when you put them in safe, they fly. It seems like they fly slower better. If you put this in, you take it out of safe, it seems like if you try to slow down, it doesn't want to handle very good. So it does look like it's turning left quite a bit. I'm not sure. All right, I'm looking. All right, let's. That is hands off, and it's just circling to the left. There, it looked like it might have straightened up a little bit. Maybe not. There we go, back in the throttle off, letting it come in. It does, straight out of the box, it does sound like it's got a little bit of prop wobble, like the prop's not very well balanced. I'll let this sink in here. If it's anything like the Aero Scout or something like that, you can kind of just bring it in with a lot of up elevator and cut that throttle, and it'll sit down almost on its own. Still in safe, and I'm using the rudder and the ailerons to make some nice sharp turns, but it glides nice, man. It's coming right in there. I could have sat that down. We're gonna let it climb up out of there. full throttle to get that climb. So you can see that it's not super powerful, but it's doing pretty good. We got a beautiful day today. Here we go, bringing it in. Just like that, man. That thing, super smooth. So real happy with that. I don't know that it has any kind of telemetry, like if the light flashes or anything when the battery gets low, but it did really good. Can't believe how well this thing behaves. Guys, super happy with this one. This is a great value. So guys, the Cub S2 by HobbyZone. I think I said E-Flite earlier. This is the HobbyZone Cub S2. And man, it's super fun to fly. And for, I think it's around 150 bucks. What a great deal to get everything you need in the box. Super excited about this airplane. Can't wait to get it out here again. Big thanks to the Lord for putting together a beautiful day. It's like 72 degrees. And in the evening, almost no wind. We were supposed to have like 12-mile-an-hour wind, and it just stopped. And it was blowing earlier today, but I let it get kind of late. And yeah. Whew. I appreciate all your guys' support. And thanks for watching the videos. Till next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.